And you were very emotional this week in rehearsals in her memory. What do you think she would have said to you tonight?
Oh, I don't know. I think my grandmother was such an amazing woman, and she loved
Jasper.
me, so, but I think she'll be happy.
No, Jasper.
Derek, how special and meaningful is it for you?
Jasper.
Something that touches Kelly.
He's gonna get you.
It's great to be able to see, to get to know the celebrities and also to see those
Birdies.
But I wish it could have been a little bit longer, the dance.
Birdies.
I love dancing with her. So
Did you scare the kitty?
Fell short, yeah.
Let's see what the judges thought. Here are your scores.
The judges have their scores.
Did you scare the kitty? You scared the kitty cat? Come here. Come here. Come on. Ow, that's my finger. Come here.
Good luck, and we'll see you back on the floor for the trio round. Beautiful job. Tom?
Come here.
And of course, as she said, the trio round is on the way. Right now, though, the first round concludes with the couple who took a near perfect score.
Jasper, stop it.
Andy and Sharna this week. Allie and Mark trained to dance an Argentine tango.
Jasper, stop.
You've got two dances this week. We have the jive, which is our trio dance, and then we have the Argentine tango. You haven't had a dramatic dance yet.
Yeah.
I'm excited for this one. I need you to be.
Jasper, I'm gonna beat your ass.
You know, Allie is the sweetest.